Hey, Jux, with the horror block, a heavy one, not heavy as in metal, but I'm still more metal than you. Let's see. T-shirt, Scooby Dooby Doo. I guess someone's going to the wedding. Together forever. Bride of frankincense. Well, this is liquid. Zombie containment unit. I guess this is just goo. Slime may separate from the glow powder. Oh. Oh, it's glow in the dark. Cool. Plushie. What's the steal? A zombie virus. From the company that brought us chlamydia. Yeah, that's a funny little thing. It ain't no thing. A slap watch. With teeth. Tick tock. Tick tock. As time goes by, it sands through the hourglass. Coolie coolie. A book of sorts. Oh, it's a novel. Bitten. Kelly Armstrong Bitten. Smart, sexy, supernatural. Meet the women of the other world. Oh. Dumped Mr. Braxton's body. Here hadn't any grudge against us, but if he did, I wouldn't want to ignore it and wait for his next move. No one here has any desire to tangle with the killer. Oh, well. Female werewolf. Haven't heard of it, but gonna enjoy reading it. And of course, I think it's the very last item, a Rumok, I would hope. Oh yeah, Giant Monster Man. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Oh. There are many beers out there. This one is one of them. French. I would love to go see this exhibit. It has been to Denmark a couple of times, I think. Actual human bodies filled with lacquer or something in the veins and shit. So you can see the entire anatomy. Oh well. Should there be a card? And I think it was Horrorblock stated that 1 in 50 would get a special item. I guess I lucked out again. Oh, the watch has Leanna Vamp stamp. Slap it, bite it, vamp it, stamp it, watch it. This slap watch is Liana's pick of the month. Never lose track of the midnight hour again. Or, for all the vampires out there, keep track of time dawn breaks. You know, just in case. Glow in the dark. Bitten, zombie cell, Rumok. Yeah. A pretty fun box this time. I hope it's not some teenage werewolf crap, but we'll see. Until next time, gadgets. Hey!